Eighth problem, if a number plus its reciprocal, we don't know the number, okay, we can take the number as x, and its reciprocal means 1 by x, equals to 10 upon 3, find the number. So we need to find out the number. Do you know the number? No, we don't know the number. So we can write, let the number be x, okay, and its reciprocal, well, that will be 1 by x, okay. So according to the problem, according to the problem, so in the problem what we can see, x plus 1 by x is equals to 10 upon 3, okay. So here we can see that there is x, okay. So let us do one thing, we will multiply this with x. So we will get x into x is x square plus 1 by x is equals to 10 upon 3, okay. So here we can multiply this numerator with 3 and this 10 with x. So we will get 3 into x square plus 1 into 10 into x. So 3 into x square is 3x square plus 3 ones are 3 is equals to 10x. This 10 comes here. So 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. So now what we can do to factorize, let us multiply first and last term. So we will get 3 3s are 9x square and the middle term is 10x. Okay. So here we need to think of two numbers such that if we multiply them we should get 9x square, that can be 9 and 1, and if we add or subtract we should get minus 10x. So if we put minus to both of these numbers, so we will get minus 10x. Okay, so now substitute in place of minus 10x 9x and 1x. So we will get 3x square minus 9x minus 1x plus 3, which is equals to 0. Now we can take out common, 3x common, so x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3 common, so x minus 3 is common, 3x minus 1, which is equals to 0. Okay, so let us take this as 0 once and this as 0. So we will get x minus 3 is equals to 0. So minus 3 when it goes there, it will become positive. So x is equals to 3 and 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 1 goes to there, it will become 3x is equals to 1. 3 goes down, x is equals to 1 by 3. So therefore the required numbers are, therefore required numbers are 3 and 1 by 3.